So what we're gonna talk about today is WhatsApp's latest update making people crazy? KGF Chapter 2 records. Dio travelers from India completed 100 days trip. Drew Binskai's fake account. FaceRug shared 7 years ago memory which is related to his mother. Hi, hello, namaste, adab, assalamu alaikum, sat shri akal. Welcome to Gustorator. I'm gonna give you some interesting updates about YouTube community around the world. Before going to the updates, I'm gonna say thank you for subscribing this channel and watching the videos. And those who are not subscribed yet, so please subscribe the channel, watch the full video, like the video, hit the bell icon, and press all to get the notifications. So let's dive into the updates. The first update is about WhatsApp's latest update making people crazy enough to uninstall or keep it. And many Indian YouTube creators are making video on it. Like, should we use WhatsApp or uninstall it, or use Signal app which was recommended by Elon Musk, or should we use Telegram? And they are not giving any solutions, but they are telling what's the main differences between them. Finally, they are saying it depends on person to person on the earth. It was ultimately depends on person to person, and people are obviously not dumb to make their own choices. So the next update is KGF Chapter 2 records. KGF 2 is making record and trending as #1, like from north to south all over India and around the world is talking about this teaser. And one of the most viewed teaser in India and still making records, OMG. Like, it completed 70 million views in 24 hours, 100 plus million views in just one day, and 125 million views and still counting in just 3 days. Regarding this, many YouTube creators reacted and Ashish Chanchalani reacted about it, and it was released in English so the world can understand it. So when we talk about conversation about KGF Chapter 2 by YouTube creators Ashish Chanchalani, he tweeted about this and he had a funny conversation with actor Ash also, and said KGF 2 teaser was literally looking like some Hollywood level shit. Hands down the best teaser of any movie I have seen from India. The hype is real. Then movie hero Ash replied to him saying, "Thank you Ashish, liked your new look. कहीं KGF inspired तो नहीं है?" Then Ashish replied as, "Love you Ash bhai, जब से मिला हूँ तब से बेड आ गई है." So the next update is about Dio traveler completed 100 days trip in India during pandemic. Two guys from Hyderabad and Vizag had made a 100-day trip in India, which is approximately 21,000 kilometers, which was started on September 2020, had successfully completed on 7th January 2021. And this was published in English articles and newspapers too. They shared their experiences to the public, that what are the struggles they faced and how they overcome this long travel during pandemic. Congrats for completing 100 days travel safely. So the next update is about Satish K Videos. Satish K Videos is an Indian YouTube channel which makes inspirational interviews around the India. Now completed 500k subscribers and thanks to his YouTube family. Then Pokimane is a gaming YouTube channel from Canada, had completed 7 million followers in Twitch and it's about to complete 7 million subscribers in YouTube too. A warm congrats to both of them. And the next update is about Drew Binskai. He is a US based YouTube creator with 2.2 plus million subscribers, mostly to travel vlogs, and traveled around 191 countries so far, and posted a pic in his Instagram story saying, "A scammer has created a fake email address as my name and is sending an email to every one of my friends and asking money. Please ignore and report if you get it. Thanks." So beware guys, it's a fraud guy asking money and he's focusing mainly on Drew Binskai's followers. So the next update is about FaceRug. He is an American popular YouTube creator having a YouTube channel with around 17.7 million subscribers. Is an entertainment channel, mostly talks about everything. Shared a 7 years ago happened memory through a tweet which is regarding his mother's birthday. Mom's birthday is in 2 days. What do I get her from Target? I'm spending up to $60. Any ideas? 7 years ago, crazy. How much my life has changed. Blessed forever because of you guys. Oh, he said $60, which is 60 freaking dollars. OMG. Do you have any idea what's his current income? I can say approximately, which is around 200 to 400k dollars per month, which might be more than that also in 2021. Wow, he made it. What's your comment on this? Please comment below. So the next update is about Donald Trump. Donald Trump's Twitter account was suspended. We already discussed about Donald Trump that YouTube deleted his videos in our previous video. Yeah, it's true that Donald Trump's Twitter account was suspended by Twitter for violating the Twitter rules. And it's been a trending topic in USA and many YouTube creators reacted to it. And I'm not showing all of them, but some of them are Lauren. Maybe she is not a follower of him, said Lamo by Lil B Word, and Ryan Garcia. We have already discussed about him in our previous videos. Tweeted saying, "The fight just started, even even with account being suspended. Most likely things will get worse. Equality, love, peace, hope, strength, mindfulness is what need to be. What's your opinion on suspending the account? Comment below. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching the video. For more updates, subscribe and stay tuned to Gustorator. Please like and share the video, hit the bell icon, press on all to get the notifications immediately when I post a video. Thank you for watching.